Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Dynamics 365. First, log in using your credentials, either via a web browser or the dedicated mobile application. Once inside, explore the main dashboard. This central hub provides a personalized overview of your most important information, often displaying up to 5 key performance indicators. Next, locate the navigation pane on the left. This pane is your gateway to various modules like sales, service, and marketing, allowing you to quickly jump between different business functions. Now, let's dive into the core modules. The Sales Hub is where you'll manage customer relationships, track leads, and monitor sales opportunities from initial contact to closure. You can view up to 100 active opportunities at a glance. For customer support, the Customer Service Hub provides tools for efficient case management, allowing you to resolve inquiries quickly. Finally, the Marketing module helps you plan, execute, and analyze campaigns, reaching thousands of potential customers with targeted messages. Effective data management is crucial. To create a new record, navigate to the relevant module like Sales and select New for an account or contact. Fill in essential details, typically around 10 to 15 fields, ensuring accuracy. Updating existing records is straightforward. Open the record, make your changes, and save. Add notes or activities to keep a comprehensive history. For deeper analysis, use the Advanced Find feature to filter your data, perhaps identifying all customers with over 5 open cases. Dynamics 365 offers powerful customization and reporting. Personalize your dashboards to display the data most important to you, perhaps showing your top 5 sales opportunities or service cases. Standard reports provide immediate insights into areas like sales performance or service resolution times, often covering a period of 30 days. For specific analysis, create custom reports by selecting your desired fields and filters. This allows tracking unique metrics, like the average time to close a lead, which might be around 25 days.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.